Renowned Wales fans, welcome to the Belarws quiz with me, Tom Lockyer.
And me, Chris Mepham. Question 1, what is the approximate population of Belarus? Is it A, 10 million, B, 15 million, or C, 20 million?
Yeah, I know that one. It's 10 million.
I reckon.
Yeah.
I think it's 15 million.
I just said I knew it.
But you obviously didn't know that. Alright, go on.
Who scored when we last played against Belarus in 2019? A, Harry Wilson, B, Gareth Bale, or C, Daniel James?
When did we play Belarus? What was the score in that one? I don't know.
1-0. Was it a qualifier? Friendly?
Oh, I remember it, I think. Was that COVID? No fans? There was fans? I'll probably go Gaz.
Yeah, I'm going to go Gaz as well.
So if we both get it right, what happens?
We both get a point, no?
Surely not. I'd have gone 10 million on the first one if that was the case.
What did you think?
Because we might as well just match each other up and then I'm not going to lose.
Oh, what am I dealing with?
Right, Gareth Bale.
I'm saying. I knew that. I just didn't want to, just in case. Was I there? Were you there?
That game didn't happen.
I wasn't there.
That didn't happen. For the manufacturing of what product did Belarus become famous? Steel, televisions, or tractors?
Yeah, I know this one.
I think I know this one as well.
It's tractors.
I don't think it is, mate.
It is, mate.
Mate, Belarus is near Russia, and there's no farms or anything there. A lot of tellies, mate. Is that what you're going, tractors, yeah?
Yeah, I know it is, mate.
I'm going steel. I think there's a lot of steel there.
Yeah.
How would you know that?
I told you I knew
Right,
it
how would you
again.
know that?
I guessed that one. I did guess that one.
It's embarrassing.
What are the colours of the flag of Belarus? Red and white, red and green, or blue and yellow?
Is it a stripe? Yeah, blue and green. That's Azerbaijan, that. Blue and yellow. It's Ukraine. Red and white, Poland.
Yeah.
Do you know?
What one's a Belarus?
You go first.
No, you got to go first.
I think it's red and green.
That is actually what I was going to say.
No.
I was going to say that.
But that's what I mean, like, he'll just tie it now.
No, but I was
So if he
going
just
to say
guesses
that
mine,
anyway.
he'll never lose.
I genuinely was going to say that anyway. Because I think it is.
I know.
It's red up top and then green on the bottom. Which member of the coaching staff scored when Wales first played against Belarus in 1998? A, Alan Neil, B, Kit Simmons, or C, Robert Page?
So if that's 23 years ago, say for argument's sake, Pagey's 50. That means he scored it when he was 27, which is, I don't know if Pagey's 50. It's got to be Pagey, isn't it? Like, I've done the maths for it, so it's Pagey.
Yeah.
I
love it, Kit.
I knew it was Kit.
Well played, Kit. That means I win, though.
Congrats.
Cheers, mate.
Deserved.